Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video in SQL Server. Today we are going to learn about what is distinct and what is order by commands in SQL Server. Distinct command is used to filter the rows. It can only display all the unique values in your column, and order by is used to arrange your results in ascending or even in descending order. So let's see both the concepts with some examples in our SSMS. Let us get into that. So now I am inside my SSMS. I have connected to my server. Let's expand the database. Let's create a new query. So let's create a table. Student with an ID column, teacher, the name column, okay, each integer and department as varchar. So let's execute this table. So now you can see that I have created a table student. So you can see I have an ID column, name, age and department. Let us insert some records into this. Set into student values. Age and the department CC. So let's copy this. So let's say for example see. So let's insert these records. So let's select the values now. You can see I have 5 students who are in different departments. Now let us say I need all the departments. You can use select departments from students. This shows me all the departments where all the students are present. So you can see that we got CSE twice because two students are in CSE. I need only the unique values of the department. How many unique departments are available for me? So you can use the distinct command. This keyword is used to filter only the unique values. So now you can see that you can see 4 departments: CSE, ECE, EEE and mechanical. So you can use the distinct command to filter out the distinct values. It can filter all the values in any data types. If it is a character, it can filter it. Even in an integer, it can filter the value. So now you can see I have 5 students inside my student table. So I need to arrange the students in alphabetical order. So let's say, for example, based on the name of the student, I need to arrange this records. We can use the order by command. Order by, you need to specify based on which column you need to order by the value. I need to order by the name column. While I execute this, you can see the table has sorted in ascending order based on the name. If I need to order by the departments, then you need to specify order by department. Then you can order the department value based on the department column. You can specify any column, you can order the values. So now I need to order the names in a descending order, then you can use descending. So without specifying ascending or descending, it will automatically defaultly assign as an ascending order. So you need to specify descending to sort the values in a descending order. So I need to get which student is aged student. So let's replace this the age column and give the order by condition as descending. We get that the student with ID number 4 is the most aged student in the class, and second and third you can order any column in a ascending or descending order by using the order by keyword. So you can filter the records through the distinct command, and you can order the result set by using the order by command. What if I provide distinct star from the students? This will list all the values, because if we provide distinct for the all the records in the table, then if any of the column is not identical, then it will list this entire row if we provide as a star. So if you need to specify only the name or age or department where you need to find the distinct values, you can specify the specific thing and find that. And while you using the order by command in your table. Let's say for example we can add some null values inside this department column. 6. Let's add 2 values. Can only change the ID column and leave the department as null. Two rows got affected. So now let's select this. If the value contains null values in the department, let's sort the department. Now select this statement. So it is sorting defaultly null as the last value. You can also provide to specify null as first. You can put case statement, case when the department is null, then return 0, else 1, and you can end this case statement and provide the department. So now while you execute this command, all the null values will be listed first, and then your department will be sorted in which order you are specified. So you can provide multiple sort orders. Now let's say for example, let's take this null value. Now order by departments. Now you can see it is ordered the departments in descending order. Now you can see Shahrukh is in the first and Anand in the second. Now I need to order in the same department. I need to order with the name, I mean in the alphabetical order. You can specify. So in such cases you can provide another filter. I need to arrange the name in ascending order. So now while you execute this statement, you can see if the same department, then the name will be sorted in ascending order. So you can use multiple sort orders in this order by statement. So I hope you understood the distinct and order by commands in SQL Server. Let me provide the GitHub link in the description. Please watch all the videos in SQL Server. Thank you for watching.